Hey everybody, welcome to my first cooking show. I've got my sous chef Lila with me today, and today we're making a very easy, very yummy, very tasty Indian dish called chicken saag. So let's get started. First thing we need to do is cook our rice, and if you see over here, I've got that going. It's a very simple basmati rice, which you can buy at the store, and just follow the instructions on how to cook that. This one takes about 40 minutes, so I'm just going to let it go for now. Then the next thing we need to do is cook our chicken. And I've got some boneless, skinless chicken thighs that I've chopped up and seasoned with salt and pepper. And I'm going to put them into this skillet, which is at a medium-high heat, get it nice and hot. And then we're going to cook the chicken for about 3 minutes. So now that I've got my chicken brown, I've added some onion that I've sliced, and I've also added about a tablespoon of fresh garlic and some minced ginger as well, and this is going to add a ton of great flavor to the chicken. So I'm going to add that now and then stir it up. My sous chef is going to help me now. So Lila, what do you have there?
Curry.
It's curry powder. It's about a tablespoon of curry powder. So she's going to add that in to our mix. Very nice. And now what's that?
Cumin.
Cumin powder. So she's going to add about another tablespoon or so of cumin. And then she's going to stir it up and get those flavors going. So now that we've got the curry and the cumin in there, I'm actually going to add a little bit of curry paste, about a teaspoon or so. This is going to add a little bit of heat and a little bit of texture to it. So I'll get that stirred up. So now I'm going to add 1 can of coconut milk. And stir that around, get everything together, get everything happy. We're going to bring that to a simmer.
Gosh, that smells amazing.
Thank you, honey. So now we've got this simmering. I'm going to put a lid on it and let it do its thing for about 10 minutes. Looking good. The next thing we're going to add is 1 package of frozen chopped spinach. I thawed this in the microwave and then drained it. And I would recommend using frozen spinach because A, it's cheaper, and B, it's actually easier to work with. So you can just add that on in. And stir it up a little bit. And then the next thing I'm going to add is kind of an unexpected ingredient. It's golden raisins, and I'm going to add about a half a cup to it. It's going to add some sweetness and some texture and some good flavor. So add those in and then cover it back up for about 3 or 4 more minutes. And the next thing we're going to add is cauliflower, and I've got about half a cauliflower that I've broken up into little bits. We're just going to add those on top and then let that cook so the cauliflower has softened a little bit for about 10 minutes. Okay, we are ready to serve. First thing we're going to do is get a big scoop of our rice. And we're going to come in and get a big scoop of our chicken saag and just put it right on top of that rice. Get some cauliflower, some of the chicken. I'm going to garnish it with some fresh cilantro and also some shredded coconut. Ready to eat. So good. Got the curry and the cumin and the ginger and the garlic and the chicken, the cauliflower, a little cilantro on top. It's perfect. Bon appetit. Thank you for watching. Chef Lila gets a bite too. Thank you for helping. Is it good?